We had the World Cup in South Africa in 2010. I'm sure you heard that. What happened? People showed so much unity for a ball being kicked for 90 minutes. They would get lifts with each other to go because their aim was to watch this team play that team. Germany playing France. I don't even know if those teams actually played. I'm just giving you an example. Germany playing France. They would travel 600 kilometers. People traveled from across the globe because their aim was one. So they all flew in and they all had assistance of one another. Are you going to the match? Okay, can you give me a lift? Yes, come. Do you know him? No, I don't. So what's the common factor? A ball. The common factor is a ball. And the common factor is a man who is known as Messi. I don't know how messy he might be. Imagine someone Messi is a common factor. And here you have the deen. It's not a ball. You have the Quran. You have Jannah in front of you. And we still cannot unite. Allahu Akbar. People have united behind a ball because they wanted to go. You know, we saw something amazing happening. The builders built. Those who built the stadiums built them. The roads built them. The infrastructure, they built it. They did the hotels. They did the airports. They updated and upgraded everything that today they are in debt of so many billion, if not some trillion. But that was their aim. We want to host the World Cup. We want it to be a success on one hand, and on the other hand, we want to watch the match. So you choose the matches you want and you get there, as we said, by hook or crook. Allahu Akbar.